Friends, when we work in a company, that time we need to separate the last name. Okay, and mostly people suffer in to separate the last name. Uh, So how can we separate the last name? Okay, so in this video we will learn last name means I want only Yadav in this cell, and in this cell I want only Pant, and in this cell I want Harindra. If we have only three name, then we can type easily here Yadav, Pant, Harindra. So no need to worry if we have only three or five or 10 name. But if we have thousands of name means like we have 50,000 name and we want to separate last name for all the names. In that case, that time we face problem. So in this video, I will tell you how you can separate the last name easily. We will use here right formula, right like right. And with right formula, we always use length with the right. Length, length minus find. Find what I want. Find star. We will search for star. Why? Because name can have more than one space. That's why we will search for star. Okay. So, but star is not given in the name. Okay. So you can see here Rahul Yadav, but there is no star. So I'll have to replace space with the star. Okay. So what I'll do here, I will use here substitute. Substitute here. Substitute is asking for text. Text I have selected Rahul Yadav. Okay. Now, how substitute work? After text, it is asking for what value you want to remove or replace. Okay. So I want to replace space with the star. Okay. Star. So by this way, it will remove all the spaces. But I don't want to remove all the space. I want to remove only last space. I want to put star only on last space. Okay. So for that one, I'll count spaces, mean how many spaces I have in this name. Okay. So if you want to count the spaces, for that one, we will use len minus len substitute. Okay. Len minus len substitute is once again asking for text, means where is the text. This one is my text. From this text, what I want to remove, I want to remove space with nothing or blank, you can say. Okay. So by this way easily we can separate the last name. So you can see how easily I have solved this question. Data in column, in that case we can easily use VLOOKUP, but sometimes we get only row. If we are getting only row, in that case, what formula we will use? We will use HLOOKUP. On the basis of this column, I want detail of other people. So how can I bring? If row is given, in that case, we will always use HLOOKUP. If column is given, in that case, we can use or we will use VLOOKUP. So here row is given. So in that case, what I'll do is equal to HLOOKUP. Firstly, it is asking for lookup value. Lookup value means value whose data we want to bring. Okay. So firstly, we will select the 2 times 4 comma, and we will select data from where this one is the matching value. So from matching value, if 47 is given to me, I will select data from 47 and press one time F4. 1 time 4 comma. Now row number, which row you want? VLOOKUP bring a column and HLOOKUP bring row. Okay. So I want to bring fourth row. So I'll type here 4 comma 0. Okay. Like this one. Now you can see, and counting will also start from where I have selected data. So I, in this case, select data from 47 to 47, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth number is 83. So I'm getting 83. Now Control D, and here I want 5 or 6, whatever is the row number. Row number is 6. So counting will start from 47. 47 is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this one is giving me 47. Okay, so friends, how easily used here HLOOKUP. So last name, you can see last name and HLOOKUP. HLOOKUP we use for row and we look up for column. Okay, for more videos please subscribe my channel, and you will get too many other videos like this one. Okay, so please subscribe my channel. Okay. Bye दोस्तों, जय श्री राम.